হেল্ল' ফ্ৰেণ্ড 2017 চনৰ 6 আগষ্ট গুৱাহাটী ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি BEd সেট এক্সাম হয় আৰু সেই এক্সামত অহা গোটা কুৱেশ্যন আজি মই এই ভিডিঅ'ত ডিছকাছ কৰিম। তোমালোকৰ ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল লাগিলে সৰু এটা লাইক কৰি দিব। Number 1, destiny of India is being shaped in her classrooms. This is stated in তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ এডুকেশ্যন কমিশ্যন আৰু এডুকেশ্যন কমিশ্যনৰ আন এটা নাম হৈছে কোঠাৰী কমিশ্যন। Number 2, when was national curriculum framework introduced by NCERT তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ in 2005. Number 3, which of the following is an example of fine motor skill for grade 3 students? তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ putting beads in a thread. Number 4, who wrote the book Burden of History, Assam and the Partition Unresolved Issues? তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ উদয়ন মিশ্ৰ। আৰু উদয়ন মিশ্ৰ কোন হয় সেইটো মই দি থৈছোঁ। Number 5, learning without burden is a basic concept related to তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ NCF 2005. Number 6, UGC was established on the recommendation of তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ University Education Commission. Number 7, the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009 ensures the rights of children with disabilities to free education from তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ 6 years to 18 years. Number 8, which step is prominent in the syntax of teaching model of memory level and understanding level? তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ presentation. আৰু প্ৰেজেণ্টেশ্যন কি হয় সেইটো মই ডিটেইলছত দি থৈছোঁ। তাৰপাছত Number 9, DAS scheme was launched in July 2004 for setting up residential schools at upper primary level for girls, prioritizing SCs, STs, OBCs and minority communities. তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর কস্তুরবা গান্ধী বালিকা বিদ্যালয়। Number 10, mid-day meal scheme was started in the year তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর in 1995. আৰু Number 10, ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় উচ্চতৰ শিক্ষা অভিযান is launched in the year তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ in 2013. Number 11, what is the full form of UGC? তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর University Grants Commission. Number 12, who proposed the Warda scheme of basic education? তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর মহাত্মা গান্ধী. Number 13, education is that thing which makes men self-sufficient and selfless. Who has given this idea? তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর ঋগ্বেদ. Number 14, school education in India can be broadly classified into how many stages? তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর 4 stages. Number 15, what is the full form of NSCC in education? তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর National Assessment and Accreditation Council. Number 16, on whose birthday is Education Day celebrated in India? তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Number 17, social education in India was renamed as adult education from তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর 2nd October 1978. Number 18, the system of government grants to universities was first started by তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর Lord Curzon. Number 19, who was considered as Magna Carta of English education in India? তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর Wood's Dispatch on Education 1854. Number 20, which committee was appointed by the British government to survey on the growth of education in India? তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর Hartog Commission. Number 21, live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever. Whose quota is this? তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর Mahatma Gandhi. Number 22, which is the highest body to advise central and state governments on education? তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর Central Advisory Board of Education. Number 23, Simon Commission was appointed for তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর Indian constitutional reforms. Number 24, 10+2+3 pattern of education system in India was recommended by তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর কোঠাৰী Commission. Number 25, in which year Gandhiji delivered a speech on education in Wardha? তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর in 1937. Number 16, the foundation of modern education system in India was laid by তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর Macaulays minutes of 1835. Number 27 who declared the 1854 education policy তার হদ্দ the Charles Wood. Number 28 Hartog Committee report of 1929 had suggested for transforming which of the following types of school into community development center for rural upliftment তার হদ্দ primary school. Number 29 Raja Rammohon Roy strongly supported তার হদ্দ freedom of speech and expression. Number 30 Lord Curzon wanted the curriculum of primary school of urban and rural areas to be তারে হদ্দ different. Number 31 megaliths are তারে হদ্দ burial sites. Number 32 rulers of Mohajanpurs in ancient India collected a tax called bhaga from the dash in their reign তারে হদ্দ farmers. Number 33 the oldest text of Jainism is called Sarhuddhata Agam. Number 34 which one of the following features is common to Buddhism and Jainism both? Sarhuddhata only these who left their homes could gain through knowledge. Number 35 who was the first acting president of India? Sarhuddhata B.B. Giri. Number 36 what is the total geographical area of Assam? The total area under forest is 33%. Number 37 which one season of the following is associated with Bordochila in Assam? Pre-monsoon season. Number 38 when did the peasant revolt of Rongia take place? 1893. Number 39 which of the following is called the soldier of the human body? White blood cells. Number 40 which country is known for having no mineral deposits? Switzerland. Number 41 what is the full form of EVM in the context of elections? Electronic voting machine. Number 42 which of the following ultraviolet ray is more dangerous? UPC. Number 43 where is Pushkar Fair Health? Ajmer. Number 44 the river Ganga rises from Gangotri Glacier. Number 45 the headquarters of Greenpeace International is located in Amsterdam. Number 46 the origin of species is a work of Charles Darwin. Number 46 the tropic of Capricorn is 23 into 1/2 degree south. Number 47 India's most important mineral rich rock system is Darward system. Number 48 where is the National Research Center for Bananas located? Tamil Nadu. Number 49 which one of the following is an important crop of the Barak Valley? Jute. Number 50 which state in India has been declared the first organic farming state? Sikkim. Number 51 Agmark is related to quality. Number 52 Cotopaxi is an active volcano situated in Andes. Number 53 which watershed development and management program is being implemented by the central and state government? Hariyali. Number 54 in which natural rain maximum diurnal range of temperature occurs? Hot desert rain. Number 55 which country will host in 2014 FIFA World Cup? Brazil. Number 56 a group of students are found to be harassing another students. What should be your reaction? Counsel the students individually. Number 57 who had stated the best teacher for the children is the one who himself is like a children? Mencken. Number 58 all children who come to school are born with desire of knowledge. Number 59 children come to school with the knowledge of one or more than one language. Knowledge of more than one language helps children in learning other languages and new subjects with ease. Number 60, the nature of the school curriculum should be agreed with তারে শুদ্ধ উত্তর interest, aims and objectives of the students. Number 61, a good teacher must be তারে শুদ্ধ উত্তর resourceful and participative. Number 62, having a diverse classroom with children from varied social, economic and cultural backgrounds enriches the learning experience of all students. This statement is correct because children learn many skills from their peers. Number 63, moral values can be effectively included among the students when teacher himself practices them. Number 64, a teacher can be successful if he helps students become better citizens. Number 65, midterm exam is an example of তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর summative assessment. Number 66, তার শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে do. Number 67 ৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ who. Number 68, সেইটো এন্টোনিম আহিছিল interpret, তার শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ differ. Number 69, tag questions আহিছিল, তার শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ can't you. Number 70, prepositions, তার শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ at. Number 71, select the word or group of words that is most similar in meaning to the word in capital letters. Handy, অর্থাৎ handy যে আপনার similar meaning to কি হবে, accessible হবে. Number 72, select the most appropriate antonym of the given word. Consecutive, তার শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ discontinuous. আৰু তাৰ পাছত আছে correct the sentence if necessary. আৰু 73 শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ the population of Tokyo is greater than that of London. আৰু 74 শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ Hammond's pens are better than that of Suresh. Number 75 শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ the climate of Japan is better than that of Java. Number 76, correct answer আহিছিল তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ have shifted. Number 77 কৈছে আণ্ডাৰলাইন দিয়া যি শব্দ সেইটোৰ ঠাইত কি আহিলে সেন্টেন্সটো শুদ্ধ হ'ব, তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ as if she were. Number 78, which tense is used to express an action taking place in the past and continuing up to the present, তারে শুদ্ধ উত্তর present perfect continuous tense. Number 79, identify the tense used in the sentence she will be graduating from college next year, তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর future continuous tense. Number 80, select the correct indirect form of the given sentence, অর্থাৎ এটা narration আহিছিল, তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর Peter told Maria not to forget to bring the file the next day. Number 81, হেতুত কৈছে the box is too heavy to be lifted. Remove to from the sentence and find the correct one from the choice given. তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর the box is so heavy that it cannot be lifted. Number 80, to transform the following superlative sentence into a positive sentence. Akbar was one of the greatest kings. তার শুদ্ধ উত্তর very few kings were as great as Akbar. Number 83, select the correct superlative degree of comparison for the given sentence. আৰু তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ I told him my innermost feelings. 83, the feminine gender of dog is তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ bitch. 85, give the plural of the given word half, তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ halves. 86, in a certain code language if pen is coded as 7, dog is coded as 12, then what will stop will be coded as, তাৰে শুদ্ধ 38. আৰু কেনেকুৱা কৰিব লগা হৈছে মই দি থৈছোঁ, okay. Number 87, in a certain code language if 7 is coded as HVEVM then how is world coded in that language, তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ WLIOW. আৰু লজিকটো মই দি থৈছোঁ কেনেকুৱা কৰিব লাগে. Number 88, if sum of two numbers is 15 and sum of their square is 113 then what is the product of two numbers, তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ 56. Number 89, তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ can not be determined. Number 90, তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ son. Number 91, আৰু তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ 1320 centimeter square. Number 92, তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ 18. Number 93, তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ 8 cube centimeter. Number 94, তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ 4:3. Number 95, তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ 45. আৰু number 96, তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ 15. আৰু সমাধানটো মই দি থৈছোঁ নাম্বাৰ 97 তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হৈছে 167। নাম্বাৰ 98 তাৰ শুদ্ধটো 44 আৰু কেনেকুৱা কৰিব লাগে সেইটো মই দি থৈছোঁ সমাধান। নাম্বাৰ 99 তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ 1024 আৰু নাম্বাৰ 100 তাৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ 870 আৰু সমাধানটো মই দি থৈছোঁ।